Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 41 King Street, Unit 1, and this is a 4-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like over here in the kitchen area. Kitchen/dining room area, just because this is the most wide open space in the house. The rest of the house you're going to see more bedrooms in the living room through that corridor there, but this is definitely the most open that it gets. The whole place is huge. For a 4-bedroom, this is probably the most square feet, livable square feet of a 4-bedroom that I've seen. And it's just really, really great in here. So I want to take a look around, show you kind of all the things that this place has to offer, and give you the best idea of the dimensions of the size of this place just by going in all the corners, and hopefully you can get a good idea of the spacing from that. But also if you wanted to set up a showing, which I will leave directions to at the end of the video. But as I said, this is a 4-bedroom apartment, and here are the appliances that come with it. So washer and dryer machines already hooked up, and there's a fridge and a 4-top electric stove. It's an electric stove and oven. So that's through there. This is the smallest of all the bedrooms. So you have a small bedroom right off the kitchen. So this is for, anybody that's going to want to be very close to the kitchen, to their bedroom. This would be a good spot for them. And also you're going to see, even though we have all the blinds drawn, there's a lot of light that comes through this place just because of the number of windows and how tall they are, how big they are. I should also point out that they're very high ceilings in this place. This whole apartment is just, it's just a lot bigger than usually what we see in the city. It's very nice in here. So you see the vents for the forced air heating in these rooms that comes up. And yeah, in this room, this is clearly the dining room. So at least a 12-person dining room table could fit in here, along with any other kind of, extra things that you would have for that space. Now this is the hallway. So down there are the living room, 2 other bedrooms, and bedroom 3 over here. We already saw bedroom 4 in that off of the kitchen. Now this is where they start to get a little bit bigger for the bedrooms. So this one is similar to the other one. I'd say maybe almost double the size. It's got the forced air heating too, so at least the aesthetics inside look pretty similar. It's got the blinds as well. And these are new blinds that were installed, so big thanks to the owner on that. This is the bathroom. So you got the bathroom kind of set up in here. There's a cabinet, medicine cabinet, and a shower that's in really good shape. So you can see the finishing on the tub. It's really well done. And that's the bathroom. So it's the 1 bathroom in this 4-bedroom. Coming down the rest of the hallway here, you can see the front entrance. So that goes out to the front, comes into the front door, into the hallway, and then that goes out to the rest of the kitchen. But the kitchen does have an exit on that side. But either way, this is what it looks like in here. Bedroom, living room in the middle. So let's take a look at this one. Honestly, and it does look pretty similar to the other bedrooms that we do have in the house. And yeah, you can see the nice vinyl floors in here that were a part of it. Nice details with these stained glass windows. I actually just came from another place that has these. I don't see them that often, but twice in one day is pretty cool to see. It gives definitely a good spirit to the room. Lots of light coming in here too. That used to be a fireplace. Obviously it's blocked off now. And let's take a look to this room's twin. So this is the twin of the living room, because you can see where it's completely walled off here. So you do have this room, but nearly just as spacious, and as well as the forced air heating. You've got the fixture for the baseboard right there. Another stained glass window, and just coming through. It is really big. You can even lose track in this place just because of how many rooms. And so this is going to be the last one that we'll look at. This is the last bedroom. Really good size in here too. Lots of light. It's actually, it's pretty quiet for being, a 1st floor apartment and everything. And yeah, so that is those rooms. I'm gonna go through one more time just so you can quickly see where everything is. And if you want to see a full list of our vacancies, you can go to nexuswor.com or no, you just go to our for rent page from nexuswor.com, and that's going to have the full list of the vacancies there. You can set up something with the leasing agent as soon as possible. And this was 41 King Street, Unit 1 in Worcester. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management.